After graduation, I plan on continuing working as a teacher at Dublin Middle School and coaching football and basketball and baseball.
I'm excited to start my career, and I don't have to go back to school again, so that's a bonus. Go Knights!
Little Georgia State's helped me a lot with being prepared for going out into the world and finding a job. I got one lined up now, and I wouldn't have been able to do it without Little Georgia.
I am a first generational college grad, and I'm excited because this is not only my first, but my second. After 30-some years of going back to school, I'm real excited to be here. And I would say to anyone, especially any young person, do what all you can while you can, because you don't want to be down the line trying to do something that you should have did a long time ago.
To be able to share this and this day with their family, with their friends. This is what it's all about. This is to me, this is the best day of the year, to be able to see these students and the impact that we've made in their lives. Their lives changed today.
We're very proud of our daughter, Lydia. She goes by Katie. She graduated in 2.5 years, and she's pursued something she loves, which is art. And we're so excited for where it's going to take her in her life, and that she found something she'll enjoy.
We're super proud of you, honey. Thank you. We love you.